Hello guys, welcome to the donut tutorial series. In the last video, I have completed up to here. Who have not seen the video yet, please watch the video. That was level 1 and now I come to the level 2. You can see that we got the shape of a donut suitable for donut. But every donut are not the perfect circle as it is man-made. It's not a perfect circle. So I will grab it to make it more soft and puffy. So for doing this, select the object, click on proportional editing. Here it's showing proportional editing. Here the hotkey for this is O. O for on and O for off. See, click on proportional editing, click G, press G on your keyboard to grab. Wait, first let me go to the edit mode, then press G, select a point and press G. Let me first open this proportional editing, press G. See, it's becoming soft and puffy. Little bit move. Here also I will move. Here some little bit I have to move to make it more clear. Let's do it nicely. Select and press G and grab. That will be enough. Here also I will select and grab. Enough. This is enough also. And here a little bit. Little bit. Yeah. You please do not copy my one. You can do as per your choice. Then you can see that it's not a perfect circle. Click on one from side view. It's not a perfect circle. See, click on one, but there is still some problems from the sides here and these two sides. So I will scale it more. Select here and press G and scale it. little bit. Here also I will scale. Enough. Here also I will grab. So it's enough for a donut. Now let's go to the object mode. You can see that we got a perfect shape of donut. Now let's do the icing. So for icing, go to the edit mode again, and then you have to select the half of this donut, not really half, near to half, means this portion here. So select it. I have selected this, but here this side you can see that is not selected. So for doing this, I have to go to the X-ray mode here. Okay, click on one and select the portion near to half. Yes, I have selected. Enough. Now click on P and click on selection. Go to the object mode, and here you can see that a part of donut is selected, but the icing is not solid type, it's cloth type. So make it solid. The modifier will help you to go to the modifier section and type add modifier option and solidify. See, it's becoming solid. As you can see that we got a perfect shape of donut. Yeah. So in the next video, hope you understood up to this. So in the next video I will discuss about the droplets and some steps involved in creation of donut in Blender. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe.